How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Sick Eric TV, and today we're going to be taking a look at some buds by ZTE. They are also, I guess, made by 1MORE, and ZTE slapped their name on there. So these are some Bluetooth buds. They're calling them the Buds Live, which are pretty much 1MORE's Piston Buds, and I thought these were a great price. I saw these on ZTE's website, and they were only like $39, so I figured, what the hell. I also ordered the ZTE Watch Live, but I guess that's coming from different locations, so they got shipped separately. That one coming from Taiwan, and the buds came from California. So I got these first. I wanted to do a video of both of them together, the Watch Live and the buds, but didn't turn out that way. So we're gonna be taking a look at these, taking a look at what comes in the box and how they sound and how they look in your ear. But before we do, subscribe, like, and share. If you end up liking this video, thumbs up would be great. And let's jump down into it, see what comes in the box, shall we? Alright, so here we are, ZTE 1MORE Piston Buds, true wireless in here. Headphones, 4-mic, environmental noise cancellation, 20 hours playback time with the case, snug and secure fit, IPX4, water and sweat resistance. Now here are some of the specs on the back. You can get about 3.5 to 4 hours of playback time, and then the case offers 20 hours. They are supported by Bluetooth 5.0, and the audio codecs is AAC and SBC. I would have preferred to see a little bit more of a aptX type audio on here, but this will do just fine considering the price of these. These are only less than $40 earbuds, so let's see how good they are. So let's go ahead and crack it open. It has a little pull tab that did not work too well. And here we go. Here are the buds with the case right on top. So really nice, small looking case, very compact. You got your USB Type-C charge connector on the back. No pairing button, so I would have liked to see a little pairing button. It looks like there's a little LED light on there though. And then over here on this little son of a bitch, a whole bunch of different languages in there. Who reads these? Nobody reads them. Type A to Type C. Very cute. And then you also get some ear tips, which will come with a large and a small, so I'm guessing the mediums will be included on the buds. So with that being said, all of that comes in the box. Let's go ahead and plop these right there and take a look at the buds themselves, see if there's any charge to these or not. And we're gonna go ahead and connect these to the OnePlus 9 Pro. Now the other specs on these, as you can see right here, ENC noise reduction, low latency, smart touch, 20 hours battery life, light and comfortable design, water resistance, and it can do a little noise reduction. I don't think it's going to be that great. You do have a touch sensitivity on the earbuds themselves, though it is limited. Pretty much a pause and play, and then voice assistant, no volume control. 20 hours battery life, that's the case. About 4 hours the buds individually, and you can use them separately if you want to as well. Play in the rain, and as you can see, $39.90 is what I paid for these, so pretty good price for the buds. Nice magnetic clips, so they're not going to be opening up on you, so that's really cool. And let's go ahead and pop them out of here and see exactly how they look. So very nice. They do come with a little protective coating over the little magnets. Here are the buds themselves. So they look pretty cool. They look very small and sleek. So I'm excited to hear them and see how good they sound. And we'll also test out the microphone capability to see exactly how good they perform as far as voice calls go and everything. So let's go ahead and jump down into it. We'll connect them and go from there. Alright, so the sound on these is actually pretty good. Your ear. They do feel a little loose, like they want to fall out a little bit, but you could probably change the tips out and get a more tighter fit in there. But they sound pretty good. The bass is there. The highs aren't as crisp and just clear and crisp as I would like them to be, but for $40 they actually sound pretty good. Now, do they sound as good as the Taltronics Liberty 97s? These have aptX. They don't sound as good as these or the OnePlus Buds Z, but they do sound pretty good, and I am impressed with the sound quality of these. Yeah, they sound pretty good. I'm quite impressed with the audio quality of these, and I'm definitely a huge audiophile. Like, I critique audio of every bud that I get, and if they don't sound good, I don't like them, and these sound pretty darn good. So yeah, they sound really good. I'm quite pleased with the audio quality of the ZTE 1MORE Piston Buds. So yeah, excellent sound quality. They get my approval. Alright, so this is how the buds would sound if you were to make a phone call. So how do they sound? Do they sound pretty good? I guess I'll find out later once I edit this video. But as far as audio quality goes, the ZTE Buds Live plus 1MORE Piston Buds sound really good, and for $40, I think it's a good price. So yeah, very impressed with the ZTE Buds Live, aka 1MORE Piston Buds. They sound really good. I'm very excited to try these out. They sound really good. I'm pleased with the audio quality of them, and yeah, hopefully they did sound good. I went over the footage of what it would sound like if you were on a phone call, and I think they sounded about average, about what you would get from a lower end Bluetooth headset when you're on a phone call, well, when it was recording that clip. But yeah, I'm very excited. Pretty good buds. I'll post a link in the description down below, that way you guys can go check them out. They are on the ZTE website. Shipping did not take that long. I believe it was about a week turnaround time, so they got here pretty quick. The Buds Watch, the ZTE Watch Live is another story that's coming straight from Taiwan, so that might take a little while to get here, but stay tuned. I'll be doing a video on that as well. See exactly how good that watch is. I don't know. I'm pretty excited. I know it ain't, a very expensive watch, but still excited. It's tech. I love tech. I'm excited for the watch. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you don't want to miss it. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thumbs down if you didn't. That's quite alright. You guys stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.